Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a little extra for day 10 for the November Junk Journal Challenge that me and Mrs. Gigi are doing. So here's day 10, and day 10 is use clothing tags to make tags. So we're going to get this show on the road. Here's my clothing tags, but I'll save a few for later. And we'll make these two right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take an envelope here that's from my junk journal stash, and I'm going to take it and cover both tags on both sides with the envelope. Okay, first I'm gonna slip the edges. Okay, then I'm gonna rip right here and use this piece. Okay, so let's take this off. I'm gonna get my glue and we're gonna start gluing. Okay, here's tag number 1. I'm gonna do tag number 2. Like so. Press those down and we're gonna cut them out. So I hope you all are joining in with us to do this junk journal challenge. As to it is fun, and this is my first time ever making a junk journal, so I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I have another sort of journal coming up in January, so y'all will see me do those videos coming soon. We're gonna do the same thing. One here. One here. Now these I'm gonna let sit and dry for a second. Okay. So I want to put words on here. So what words can I put? We're gonna put them on this piece of cardstock here and cut them out. Okay. So let me get my pen. I'm gonna put joyful on one. Whoops, I closed my pen instead of opened it. Okay, that's for one. Hopefully it'll fit. Maybe. If not, we can redo it. Joyful, and what can we put on the other one? Let's cut this one out. trim it up a little. And it's gonna go right on this one. Let's see. Let's trim a little more off of here. And we got it perfectly. So we got joyful. And I don't know. What is another good word to put on a tag? Enjoy. Okay. So we got joyful and enjoy. If I can pick this up, I'm going to put this back in its spot here. Cut this out. We're going to stick them on now before I cut them out. This is one. And I'm going to outline them with my pen as soon as they're dry. Okay. Now let's cut these out. Let me cover my glue here. So we have our two tags. Let me trim it up a little more. That we use the security envelopes to create with some clothing tags. Okay, that is that one. Now, I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to outline it. This is my favorite thing, one of my favorite things to do to make everything pop a little more. Is outline it either with a marker or my pen. And it makes the word or words or whatever I put on it pop a little more. There we go. And there are my two tags, but I want to round the edges a bit. So I'm going to get my corner chomper and just round the two bottom edges. And then I'm going to take my scissors and just trim off a little here. And a little there. Okay, same here. There. Okay, so now we got our two tags there. And that'll be it. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, go live, or do a premiere. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share. Oh, I said that already. I'm repeating myself. Forgive me, I just woke up and popped in to do a video. Um, please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye bye for now.